Selling beats is one of the most difficult businesses that you could possibly choose. No matter what kind of specific business model you use, by the way. There are thousands of producers better than you. They already have connections, money, experience, a lot of good beats, great studio setup. AI danger is also growing in the shadows. Most of music producers definitely will be replaced sooner or later by AI music. When we fight with AI, this is literally survival of the fittest, as in other industries. You can't use urgency to sell, you can't do quick sales, you can't do all these smart marketing tricks, because most of your customers, most rappers just need to take time before purchase. No rapper will buy before checking your beat for days, weeks, or even months. This doesn't happen in other industries because we sell low ticket product. It is anything from 20 to like few $100s for us, but our clients just need a lot of time to make a choice. Usually process of choosing the beat and choosing if buy or not is as long as in selling business to business. Isn't that crazy? So we get money as from typical consumer market sales, but we got processes of selling as in business to business. So there are a lot of major problems with selling biz. This is almost impossible. And the best part is that you can still crush it in 2025. You can still make fuck ton of money doing that. But this is not for rookies anymore. This is not for pussies. This is not for cowards. This is for maniacs who are willing to sacrifice everything for this career. This is for maniacs who are willing to produce 10 beats a day, 100 beats a week, who are willing to stay all night long on this project. This is now specifically for people who are not afraid of losing 100 times to win one time. For those kind of people, and if you are into producing and if you like this video, if you feel like I'm talking to you, you are one of these guys. We are these guys, and this is the best opportunity for us ever, because all this whack competition will get scared. All this competition will not put our work. All other guys are not ready to this level of commitment and sacrifice for this business. And by the way, it's not business, it's a way of living your life. So all weak competition will be removed sooner or later by oversaturation and by AI. And only the best of the best, which we can be, will survive. And we will manage whole producing market then. This is currently happening. The best producers make fuck ton of money. Those average guys who make few beats less in a week, they make no money. Back in days, even a few years ago, whack producers could still make good money on type beats. Now this is only for real motherfuckers, okay? This is not for anyone who is going to make one beat a day, post few beats during a month and randomly blow up on YouTube. This is for guys who are ready to go for a war in the name of our music. My goal behind creating this video was to attract this kind of people, because I want to work with you. I want to help you grow, I want to grow together with you. And I've got products specifically for you. If you think that you are this kind of guy who can go for this war for music, you can go into first link in the description. This is my product, this is my video on selling beats. It will help you make your first case selling beats online. If you don't want to buy at the moment, no problem, just subscribe me here, follow me on Instagram, and let's just stay in touch, okay? And let's grind together. I'm Mordarski, and I will help you make your first case selling beats sooner or later. Bye.